So for a week I tried waking up 3 a.m. in the morning. Like this, my week has been so smooth. And what I have achieved for this 1 week by just waking up 3 a.m. So if you're interested in this video, you are creating healthy habits to kickstart your goals and whatever you want to do your career, just click like to this video and also click subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell because we are getting to this party. It is me you adore. How I started waking up 3 a.m. was not something I planned. I didn't plan it at all. It just happened all of a sudden. Why? Because by 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. I should be doing my chores, like the house chores, you know, like the last one kind of chores. And then I realized waking up 3 a.m. I was able to edit a video, I was able to post on 2 YouTube channels, I was able to write a blog post on a website, and I was also able to do other things that I loved. And I was like, damn, this sounds right? Then I decided to keep trying it and just see how it is. So basically when I wake up 3 a.m. what I do is this: I just go through my phone, go through my social media pages. I check my algorithm, how far I have ranked in the previous video. I see probably YouTube I haven't ranked in a certain video. Then I get this anxiety kind of thing triggered. But then because it's still early in the morning, I just turn off the phone and I come to the living room and then I try to read a page of a book or something. And then after that, by 5 a.m. I do this hashtag workouts routine, which you can see just plain old workout routine. I do it for like a 30 minutes or 45 minutes, but then I drink this detox tea. So this is the recipe for the detox tea: ginger, lime, and boiling hot water. It's quite simple. I think you should try it. It's good for your bowels, and since I started taking the detox tea, my bowels have been kind of stiff. It's been kind of stiff, but I think the digestion has been faster because I bloat a lot, so it kind of reduced the bloating. But my stomach and my abs are kind of stiff, so I don't know. I think my body is still getting used to the detox tea. Then when I'm done with that, by 6 a.m. I try to, as much as possible, to pray because I'm a Christian again. Then after my morning prayers, I just go for a walk. I call it a workout. So just go out like the morning, the fresh air. Sometimes I just walk a few minutes and I sit on a rock and listen to the sound, listen to the wind, look at the flowers, listen to music, and sometimes I scream out loud and sing to myself because it's quite early. So I realized that waking up that early makes me let go of those negativity that might have accumulated because of disappointment. After doing those wonderful activities which I love doing, which I'm able to do within 3 a.m. to 7:30 to help boost my mental health, my spiritual life, and my body goals, and give me this kind of, yes, I am doing something with my life kind of mentality. And it's giving me this calmness, which I realized that has really helped me a lot. Like based on your activities, waking up 3 a.m. could be too early, but I need to take water, please. That's just all I want to tell you. So try waking up very early and feel extremely active throughout your day. So I've done the 3 a.m. challenge for 1 week and I think I'm gonna keep to it. My name is Victoria Jada and thanks for watching this video, and also check out my other videos here, this one and this one. It's actually amazing. And click the subscribe button, the red button, and also turn on your notification bell to get notification on all my videos. Okay, I love you and I'll see you very soon. Bye.